Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you're new to charts? I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I will explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day, and then you look at the final 30 minutes of the day, and quite the volume spike right there. So let's get some levels of support mapped out here as things have gotten, like I said, pretty crazy. So the first level of support to keep an eye on going forward, that's important in my mind at least, is down here at $1.50. Why is $1.50 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen. Let me actually squeeze down the chart here a little bit. There we go, to offer up more context. But if the price were to go back down to $1.50, again, not saying it will, but if the price were to go down to $1.50 and then just continue on down, what would you have at that point from a logistics standpoint? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price at that junction in time right down and right back inside of that area of the chart that it's broken out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, again, it's not, there's no problem if prices go down. So even if it did go down here again, however, in this situation, behave like this and then start to work its way back up. But there, the big difference in this situation is now when you look at the lows. So in other words, you'd have a low right here. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision those as stair-steps, well, now all of a sudden you have stair-steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's what you want to see. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. So it's not necessarily a problem with prices going down because nothing can ever go straight up. But when it does go down, is the opportunity there to still continue to make progress forward? And at this point, kind of that big progress point, definitely at the $1.50 mark. What about areas of resistance moving forward? Initial level as far as where the sellers are hanging out at still remains right up there around $1.70. Didn't quite hit it today, but I think we can all agree got definitely, well within striking distance. And then you factor that in with the past history. And, this level is definitely, been confirmed as an area on the chart that's got several sellers sitting up right around there. So not saying $1.70 can't be broken, just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us here via the chart, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight through that level and stay up above it. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, definitely quite the eventful afternoon today on Tuesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.